Hi there, Emmanuel here, and today we're going to be doing some live Forex trading. Yeah, I'm going to actually show you our ATH indicator in action. I've actually just in a trade just now. I'm just about to get triggered right now if this comes up to that point there. Let me put it on the chart for you so you can see. Now this ATH indicator, so if it crosses that line, we'll be in this trade. Now this just a tiny bit higher. Now this ATH indicator is an indicator we give you for free for coming to, if you want to come and train with us. And I'm actually going to give you access to the group that I personally train with that have 5, 6, 7-figure earners in there, and they're going to show you exactly what we do, how we crush it on the charts, how we use this indicator, and how we actually trade something we call smart money. But when we get you into the group, initially we ask you to trade this because it's so much easier and you get into profit really quick. Yeah, so I'm going to tell you why I like this trade and why I'm thinking about getting into it if it breaks there at the moment. So this is the GBP JPY, and it's got all the bells and whistles on that we give you, and all of this comes for free. Yeah, this big green line here basically tells you that the trend is going up. Yeah, there's a cross of what we call the 1362 on the 13-minute chart. So I'm going to take all this off initially at the moment, though, so that we can go up and have a look. Let's go to the 30-minute chart. So the 30-minute chart is here. Yeah, and so what I really want to show you is, let me put this on again. Is there. You see right there where it goes from red to blue. That is what we call the 1362 cross. Yeah, you see the green line. It's telling you on a higher time frame that things are looking like they're ready to go up. Yeah, so you know, I was trading just a second ago on the 5-minute. So if you're on a 5-minute chart, you want to be going the way with the trend. You want to be going the way with the trend. And that's why we give you all these things to help you. Because initially, when people used to come and trade with us, they'd be like, you know, I don't understand all this stuff. I don't understand trend. I don't understand breaker structure. I don't understand none of that. So we give you these things to make it a lot easier for you. When you get more advanced, I mean, I'm just looking at this chart now, and I'm gonna look at it, you know, with my smart money eyes on. I look at this and I think, right, price, let me just go to a bit of a higher time frame. But you don't need to do all this sort of stuff. You know, as you get more advanced, it will help you get even better. Price done this big push down, and now it looks like it's getting ready to flag up. So I'm happy to take buys, you know, and especially when all of this stuff confirms it for me. 30-minute telling me there's that cross, you know, 30-minute telling me, yep, the cross is happening. We're now not red anymore. We've gone blue. And on a 30-minute, so on a 5-minute, I want to be going with that higher time frame. So now let's go back to the 5-minute, see if we've triggered. Okay, let's see. Hopefully we have. Not quite yet. It looks like it's about to happen. I'm going to put all the bells and whistles on now. So bang, 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 whoop, bang. So there we go. We've got all the little bells and whistles on now, trying to help you to see this. So what we would do when you've got all of these things on your chart, so you've got this is telling you the 30-minute has crossed. You've got these arrows telling you, like, these blue ones what we call ATH, these black ones are what we call quick turn, but they're the same thing really. Do you know what I mean? So you've got all of this stuff now telling you, so the blue, and you've got this blue what we call super trend telling you which direction to trade in. So we've got this saying that 1362 is crossed, like I just showed you on the 30-minute. We've got this telling you the trend is going up, and now we're looking for blue arrows. What we teach you here now is something we call the 62 trade. So what we're looking for price to do is to move away from these averages. These colors are just moving averages. The top one is 13, the bottom one is 62, and then come back in and touch, like here. See that? Back and touch the 62, and then you take the trade. This one here would have worked out beautifully. Yep, entry would have been there, stop loss would have been there. You probably would have got a 1 to 2 out of that. But what time was that? That was 9 o'clock on the 23rd of December. So, you know, Yeah, I didn't see that one. If I did, I definitely would have played that one. Then again, it went up, came down, and then we get another one. This one's not as close to the bottom, so maybe I wouldn't have taken that one. Then again, it goes up, it comes down, and it actually triggered on the 62 right here. So that was the one I took there. Entry at the top of that candle there, stop loss at the bottom, and now I'm just waiting to see what happens. Because of the time of year, we normally say go for 1 to 2, but because of the time of year, I would probably just trade this for a 1 to 1, or at least I'm about to get triggered right now. Yeah, so at least, you know, if it goes to 1 to 1, you can then move this to break even, and then you just protect your profit. And if you want to let it run, you can let it run. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause this video now, and then I'm going to come back, hopefully when the trade is played out, and then we can see what happens. Hopefully it wins, but either way, I'm just explaining to you what we'll be doing. And some people say, you know, you don't do this live, you always show things that have already happened. It's happening here now live. The pound JPY on the 23rd of December at 2:30, we're about to get entered. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we run up, and let's see if we get at least a 1 to 1 out of this. Maybe run it to 1 to 2, but I'm looking to get 1 to 1. I mean, it's 2 days before Christmas. The volatility is all over the place. If you can get a 1 to 1, I would take it. So let's pause the video, and I'll be back, and we'll see what happens. All right, so I'll speak to you in a minute. Okay, so that's been about 5 minutes now. So I'm back on the chart. You can see we're in it. It's like it's actually nicely moving in our direction. About probably half of the trade has actually come off. You know, like I said, because of the time of the year, the volume's not great, so it's not moving very fast. But you know, we're still in it, pulling back a little bit on us. So let's just hold our horses, and I'll come back in a few minutes, and I'll give you another little update. Hopefully, in the next 5 or 10 minutes, we'll get our 1 to 1. Do you know what I mean? So let's see. We're back in a bit. Okay, so we're back, and we are almost there. You can see we're very, very close to TP now. I'm gonna put this on there so that we just see where we are. We're very close now. You can see. Hopefully, it will go there. I mean, so like I said, I'm going to give you access to this, and I'm going to give you access to the group that's actually going to give you all this stuff for free. I'm going to show you the group that you're going to get access to completely for free for next week. The training starts Monday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is 5 p.m. GMT, and it goes on all the way through the week. So Monday all the way through to Friday. Every single day we get on with the leaders, and they teach you this. On the Monday and the Wednesday, all they talk about is quick turn. Exactly what I showed you here, ATH and quick turn. Yeah, same thing like I said. Just all those things I was teaching you. They show you the nuances, how to grab those good 62 trades. Yeah, and it's on every day. And look, it's ain't like 10 minutes. These are like 1 hour and a half. And all the leaders come on and they answer all your questions. So if you're interested in that, I'm going to leave a link below this video. You just click on that, and then once you've opted in, you get a free video from me that shows you exactly what you got to do to get onto this for next week. I'll walk you through all the steps. Also, the other things I wanted to show you, we have the quick turn here where Michael, the leader, actually shows you how to do this 62 trade, where we want everyone to start with the 62 trade because it's the easiest way to get into profit as quick as possible. That's what we found. It's very powerful when you just follow the things we teach you. You know, it's not that hard to see. Like I said to you, it's blue, blue, blue. Price pushes away from the 62 or the moving averages, comes back to the 62, you take the trade. Pushes away from the moving averages, flags back to the 62 like we happened here. We took the trade there. This one was lovely as well. 2 of them. There was 2 trades there that you could have taken. Both of them would have been winners, you know, and we're almost going to trigger here now. So yeah, if you want access, like I said, I'm gonna give you access to the group. I'm gonna leave the link below this. So you just have to scroll down below this video, click on that, and you'll get completely free access to next week's trading. Let's have a look. So there you go. Now we're triggering now. So that's 1 to 1. I went for 1 to 1 there. Obviously, if you wanted to, you could move this to break even and then just see what happens if you got 1 to 2. But for me, because of, like I said, it's, what is it, 2 days before Christmas, the volatility is a bit, you know, it's suspect. Things could quickly change on you. So for me, you know, that's a 1 to 1 trade. You take that. and that's it. I'm happy with that. So I just wanted to show you that live, to show you that this stuff does work, to show you that it does live. And if you're interested in coming to train with us, like I said, links will be below. But either way, listen, I do hope you got some value from this. If you did, please take a second, just give it a thumbs up. Also share it with anyone else you think might get some value from this as well. If you have any questions at all, any questions on the ATH and the quick turn indicator, any questions on our group, anything at all, please don't hesitate. Just leave it in the comments box below. All right, once again, you have a great day. Till next time, take care. Speak to you soon. All the best.